So don't give up, love worth fighting for. Even if it hurts, you know. Don't give up, love worth dying for. Even if it kills, you know. Don't give up, I just can't get away from everything that people say. So don't give up, love worth dying for. Even if it kills, you know. Hear me when I say it's like breathing. You know I will never stop, even if I break into pieces. Your love is everything I got, so I just can't get away from everything that people say. I just wanna know you're okay. So don't give up, love worth fighting for. Even if it hurts, you know. Don't give up.
Convertible to room to ha, pero pwedeng guest room siya actually. So, ito yung sala. Yan yung sala. Akit tayo sa taas, guys. Sa baba pala yung pinakita ko sa inyo, ha. Pag akyat mo sa second floor, guys, meron siyang sala. Ayan. Ito yung master's bedrooms. Okay? Kung makikita nyo, malalaki talaga yung kwan niya dito. Magagalaki yung kanyang rooms. Yan. Perfect yung kanyang rooms. Yan. So, dito sa master's bedrooms, ito po yung kanyang bathtub. Yan. Meron din siyang sink, CR. Ayan yung kanyang CR. So, dito, nilagyan pa rin ng mga pwedeng lagayan ng mga gamit. Makikita nyo yan. Yan. So, pwede siyang lagayan ng mga gamit o mga damit. Yan. Tatlong layer siya. So, minmaximize lahat nila dito yung space. Kung kita mo, ito yung mga built-in cabinet na pwedeng lagyan ng mga gamit ng owners. Okay. So, samahan niyo ako guys sa second room. Ito yung second room. Yung pinasok natin kanina, master's bedrooms, ito yung second room. Guys, itong pinapakita ko sa inyo, this is already furnished. Pero pag turnover, wala siyang gamit ha. Kayo yung maglalagay ng gamit. So, binibigyan ko lang kayo ng idea on how to make a beautiful room inside your house. So, yan yung pangalawang room. Dito po may CR din tayo. So, kanina may CR sa master's bedroom. Dito din po may CR din siya sa labas. Common toilet and bath sa dalawang kwarto. So, ito yung isang room. Yan siya. Ito yung master's bedroom. Ay, sorry. This is the third room. I'm sorry. Hindi siya master's bedroom. Ito po yung cabinet. Yan. But again, kayo yung maglalagay ng cabinet. I'm just giving you an idea on how to make beautiful yung bahay ninyo. Yan. Okay. Yan siya, guys. So, sa lahat ng model unit dito, ito yung pinakamaganda. Ito yung pinakamalaki. Pag interesado kayo, just pay me. Thank you.